happy it ends. Your pain threshold is typically higher during this time. Don't apply any lotions, oils, or deodorants to the area before you go in. You want the canvas to be clean. And please, don't shave between appointments. It disrupts the hair growth cycle and can make your next wax more painful. Consistency is key to making waxing easier over time. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of wax types. You'll likely encounter hard wax, soft wax, or even sugaring. So what's the difference? Soft wax is applied with a spatula and removed with a cloth strip. It's great for large areas, but can sometimes be a bit harsher on delicate skin. Hard wax, which is my personal favorite for Brazilians, is applied warm, and it hardens as it cools. The esthetician then removes the wax strip itself, without any cloth. It's designed to grip only the hair and not the skin, which makes it much gentler on sensitive areas. Then there's sugaring, an ancient method using a paste made of sugar, lemon, and water. It's applied against the hair growth and removed in the direction of growth, leading to less breakage and irritation. Talk to your esthetician about what they use and what's best for your skin type. The big question: should you try this at home or go to a professional spa? DIY waxing kits have become more accessible, and they can be a budget-friendly option. However, waxing yourself, especially a Brazilian, is tricky. It's hard to get the right angles, apply the right pressure, and maintain the right temperature. The risk of burns, bruising, or incomplete hair removal is much higher. Going to a licensed esthetician at a reputable spa means you read in the hands of a trained professional. They are fast, efficient, and prioritize hygiene. They know how to handle different skin and hair types to give you the best, safest result. For your first time, I strongly recommend seeing a pro. It's an investment in your comfort and safety. Once the wax is done, the care isn't over. Aftercare is your glow insurance. It's what keeps your skin happy, smooth, and free from irritation. For the first 24 to 48 hours, treat the area like a delicate flower. Avoid hot baths, saunas, intense workouts, and tight clothing. All of these can trap heat and sweat, leading to irritation or bumps. Your esthetician will likely apply a soothing oil or lotion right after the service. At home, you can continue this gentle care. If you experience any redness or sensitivity, a cool compress can work wonders. And don't forget to moisturize daily with a gentle fragrance-free lotion to keep the skin hydrated and soft. For a more natural touch, Mother Nature has some incredible remedies. A little bit of pure aloe vera gel is fantastic for calming redness and inflammation. You can also use a touch of tea tree oil diluted in a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil. Tea tree oil has natural antiseptic properties that can help prevent bumps and keep the area clean. Another simple home remedy is an oatmeal bath, which is incredibly soothing for sensitive skin. These gentle, natural solutions can help your skin bounce back beautifully, leaving it calm, soft, and radiant much faster than you'd think. Nature really does know best. Here's a secret that seasoned waxers swear by. It gets easier. So much easier. The first time is the most intense because you're re-removing the hair from a bulb that has been comfortably rooted for a while. But with consistent waxing, every 4 to 6 weeks, the hair starts to grow back finer, softer, and more sparsely. Your skin also becomes accustomed to the sensation, and the hair follicles weaken, making removal much less painful. It's like training your skin and hair. So, if you're thinking of making Brazilian waxing a regular part of your routine, know that the initial discomfort is temporary. Stick with it, and you'll be rewarded with smoother results and a much more comfortable experience. Let's bust some common myths, shall we? Myth number 1. The pain is unbearable. As we've discussed, it's more of a quick, intense sting that's over in seconds, not a prolonged agony. It's totally manageable. Myth number 2. It's unhygienic or risky. Absolutely not. If you go to a reputable salon, a professional esthetician will never, ever double-dip the wax stick. The environment should be spotless, and they should be wearing gloves. Cleanliness is queen, and it's non-negotiable. It's not just about safety. It's about protecting your health and your confidence. Don't be afraid to ask about their sanitation practices. A good salon will be proud to show you how they keep things clean. Now, let's talk products. Having the right pre- and post-wax care products can elevate your experience from good to amazing. Before your wax, a good exfoliating product that isn't too harsh is key. I love gentle scrubs with ingredients, like sugar or jojoba beads. For aftercare, look for products products that contain soothing ingredients like aloe, chamomile, or calendula. A good ingrown hair serum is also a game changer. Look for ones with salicylic acid or glycolic acid, which gently exfoliate and keep those pesky bumps at bay. We'll link some of our glow-approved favorites in the description below so you can keep your skin smooth.com and camera ready. And there you have it, tour, full guide to the world of Brazilian waxing. At the end of the day, this is about so much more than just being hair-free. It's your glow moment. It's about how you feel, confident, clean, and free. It's about walking out of that salon feeling powerful and ready to take on the world. It's about reclaiming your body and your confidence, one smooth day at a time. Whether you choose to wax or not, remember that beauty is all about what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and diving into this topic. I hope this guide has made you feel more prepared and confident. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and guides. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay glowing.